Harshit, a BTech Computer Science undergrad student from Bennett University. During this project, my task was to work with the research team on the research of this project. I also made the mock UI and the first test trial version of this app. I was also working on the documentation part.
Hey guys, my name is Shobhit Singh. I am from Bennett University and I worked on UML diagrams.
Greetings everyone, this is me Navika Agarwal, a second year BTech undergrad student doing computer science engineering from Bennett University. My role in this project was to do the research work and I also helped in the documentation part.
Today's modern smart world, technology plays a crucial role in everybody's life. Traditional healthcare systems are unable to accommodate everyone's need. So, keeping these points in mind, we have decided to work on a project called Medix. Medix will be an integrated healthcare application which will serve almost all the basic purposes and necessity of a healthcare app.
These days, patients have to wait longer for their appointments. They have to take time out of their day traveling to the doctors and wasting additional time sitting in general waiting rooms. There are not many apps available on the Play Store from where the user could get their healthcare from trusted medical sources, and most of the time their personal information is not even secured and encrypted. A lot of people want greater access to personalized service, which means that they need an application that can show them basic health information without giving them any irrelevant or faulty info. So by addressing this issue, we came up with the idea of creating an application through which patients can book out video or audio consultation in seconds and have it at a time that suits them. They can get clear medical advice whether they are in the office or traveling abroad.
Medix helps solve our issue of finding the relevant application. It helps us search by keywords or images of symptoms. Medix helps search for doctors, hospitals based on location or problem. It also provides the choice of booking physical or virtual appointment. It provides online medicines, pathology, insurance services by redirecting. It helps stores information which can be referred by doctors.
Medix shall provide information by keywords or images of symptoms. It shall search for doctors and hospitals based on the problem or location. It shall provide choice of booking physical or virtual appointments. It shall provide information of medical stores located nearby. It shall provide online medicine, pathology, insurance services by redirecting. It shall store patients' information securely, which can be referred by doctors or during the time of appointment. It shall have user-friendly interface and design which is easy and efficient to use.
To make our app, we are going to use Android Studio, which will use Java Kotlin as its programming language. And for storing users' data safely, we are going to take the help of Google Firebase.
Our stakeholders are Dr. Anurag Goswami, who was a mentor and is also heading this software engineering course. Our instructor for this project was our faculty Dr. Tapas, and the team members are Harshish Sharma, Shobit Singh and Navika Agarwal.
Users. There will be a backend developer, the team members that are tasked with managing the test data, creating the initial models, and ultimately generating the process for applying these techniques to build the basic frameworks of the application. There will be a front-end developer that will be the team of members tasked with the designing of the layout and overall look and feel of the application. Then there will be an end user, which is someone who will install the application and use it for the various purposes that are defined.
As a user, I cannot be registered without completing all the mandatory fields, which is the very basic thing. Secondly, as a user, my information from the form shall be stored in the registration database after form submission for security and personal purposes. As a user, my payment shall be accepted via credit card if and only if required. And lastly, as a user, I will be directed to the home screen.
As a user, my requested address should be valid. As a doctor's, he should be qualified and the hospital should be reputed and registered with the respective agencies. As an administrator, I should keep the entered information safe and secure. The application start. User will be asked either to log in or sign up. If he chooses login, it will ask for its credential. If the credentials are valid, then it will take him to the home page, but if they are not, it will give an error. If the user chooses sign up, it will ask to enter all the required information. After entering the information, he will be guided to the home page, but if the informations are not correct, it will again show an error. If the user is on the sign up and sign in screen, and he enters the sign up data, the data will be transferred to the Google Firebase and the new user will be registered. But if he enters sign in data, it will be authenticated using the Google Firebase, the details will be verified and he will be taken to the home screen. If the user search for the doctors or hospital, it will take to the records stored in the Google Firebase and then load the doctor's screen or doctor's window. The sign up data is sent to the Firebase, which is again bring on to the login screen using the email and password, and if they are valid, it will take to the home screen where the doctor's data, patient data and other informations are stored.
Medix will be an integrated health application, which is an innovative idea. This is an innovative step because at present there is no such healthcare application that provides this feature along with other facilities. Designing and successful development of these features will be an innovative step in the development of the application. All the above mentioned tasks that this application is capable of performing and the way they will be designed led us to the conclusion that Medix is an innovative idea and its successful compilation will prove to be a helping step towards smart healthcare.